Let me clarify something for you. Regardless of who you're currently sleeping with, you and I come from different worlds.
Would you do me a favor? Anything. Move down a couple steps.
Come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine.
Nothing hurts more than sleeping with your best friend, Lotus.
You look so fine that I really want to make you mine.
Are you jealous? You needed to sleep with him first?
4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need the money when you look like that, do you, honey? A big black boots, long brown hair. She's so sweet with her get back stare. Well, I could see you home with me, but you were with another man, yeah.
Did you sleep with her, huh?
I know we ain't got much to say before I let you get away, yeah. I said, are you gonna be my girl?